Hello, and welcome to Story Time with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. We're going to be using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. If you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out, and we'll get started. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. I see a purple cat. Can we match the purple cat to the purple circle? There we go. I see a yellow duck. Let's match the yellow duck to the yellow circle. I see a blue horse. Let's match the blue horse to the blue circle. I see a red bird. Let's match the red bird to the red circle. What a fun game to play using our questions to match each color with the animal. Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading Brown Bear, What Do You See? It's always so fun to use our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects to pair with each picture on the page. I just loved how each of these matched the color on the page and could be used for various games to play and interact with as we read the story. You can find more Say and Play Story Kit mini objects and story kits at speechandsmile.com. Thank you so much for joining me and make it a great day.